Bernie Tully, personal injury and wrongful death lawyer from the law firm of Tully Tully. What is a never event in the wrongful death cases in context? Simply put, a never event in a wrongful death case means an event that is so unlikely to happen that the medical and the health field consider it a never event. All that means in plain English is it's so unlikely that the insurance companies don't even put it down as a possibility. An example, in a medical malpractice case where the surgeon cuts off the wrong leg. It's very rare, but it does happen, and that can lead, of course, to sepsis, infections, and death. And then it becomes a wrongful death case. And it's the insurance, the way they calculate these things, they say, well, it could never happen. It's not even worth worrying about. We're not even going to factor that in. And yet it happens more often than a lot of people might think. Or another never event would be in an anesthesiologist administering the drug to give the wrong dosage, and the person dies shortly after the operation. That is a never event. And insurance companies don't even calculate that into their analysis for your wrongful death family member. Another never event in the wrongful death field might be a tractor trailer going the wrong way on a one-way street that your family member was traveling on and killing your family member. That's calculated to be, it could never happen with GPS now and Waze and all the modern means, or that the truck driver wouldn't have known that they were going on the wrong road and caused his fatality by going the wrong way. It's considered in the legal context to be something that just could not happen, but it does. And that's why we get involved in these kind of cases. Another one might be close to being a never event is a tractor trailer, an SUV, a large vehicle that runs the stop sign and pulls onto the highway without even stopping, running right into the family member who's traveling on the highway in a straightaway path and kills the family member. That would also be considered to be a never event because they just don't put that in their calculus, these insurance companies. The tragic thing of all this is that they do happen, and they happen much more frequently than a lot of people might realize. And the insurance companies, their value on the case is completely different in these never events as it would be if it's a rear-ender collision that causes a fatality. So we represent families of wrongful death cases in a personal, compassionate way on these never events, and we travel all throughout the state of Pennsylvania for a case we believe has merit. It doesn't matter if it's in Pittsburgh or if it's Philadelphia or it's Du Bois or State College or anywhere in the state of Pennsylvania. We will be there for you and your family, and we'll treat you in a caring, compassionate manner. Give us a call at 412-281-8700. 412-281-8700, and let us put our compassionate care to help you with your family event that ultimately led to this tragedy. Our condolences to you if you happen to be in that terrible situation, and we look forward to hearing from you. Bernie Tully, thank you.